July 4th in Lava Hot Springs, Idaho, there are so many people. I mean, this is a town of like 500 people, and it must grow to 5,000 people. Now, this little video is recorded on July the 5th. Most people have left. There's a solid stream of RVs leaving town this morning, and this first part of this video is shot around 1 o'clock. I'm leaving town, going over to Pocatello, Idaho to do some errands over there. Then I come back around 5:30 p.m. But you'll be able to see in this video just the traffic and river. There's a river floating, constant shuttles running with people, taking them down to the river to go rafting and go canoeing. And anyway, the first part of this video takes you out of town and see a little bit of the countryside, and then we're coming back in town, like I said, around 5:30 p.m. So just sit back and enjoy the video.